sustainability as your company, your return on equity will be at least 200%. That's a study I think IFC has done. You can look at it, return on assets will be 110, but return on equity is much higher. So sustainability is a viable investment. Circularity of your small economy is a viable investment to make, but it's not being made. Every company, including this hotel that we're in, every household generates waste. We are not processing that waste as we should, and we are not building in any recycling protocols into our big businesses, which is the case everywhere else in the world. The state does not do it. The companies do, because the companies have led to the global warming. Countries have...
रहमान फ्यूचर समिट 2023 के इफ्ताही सेशन से खिताब